Hi, today you are going to learn how to create a talking AI influencer avatar using different AI tools. First of all, you need a detailed prompt to create an image of the influencer. For this, I will use ChatGPT. Let's start. Here are different prompts for male or female influencers. I will choose one from these. I will copy the prompt from ChatGPT and will paste in Leonardo AI for the best images. I use free plans to generate images. You can edit your prompt if you do not get your desired image. Once we have generated the images, we will download them. Now I'm using another AI tool, Dreamface app. In this app, we will upload our images, animate and make them talk. This will be our last step. Finally, our AI influencer is ready.
Welcome. Let's talk about growth, mindset, and what really matters.
Today, I'm going to explain how you can use Mockups feature in your designs. On the main page of Canva, you can see here social media. Just click on it. Now here's the second option of Mockups. Just see, and you will be able to create various mockup designs. Explore these mockup template and choose the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I'll be back with another interesting episode. Take care and happy designing.
Hi there, this is another example of creating a talking avatar.
I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of creating an influencer avatar, making it animated and talking. Till next video, happy designing!